Okay, I'm going to tell you about the muscle system. First of all, as we all know, it is the system that allows you to move. And one of the most amazing things about the human body is the incredible amount of mobility it has. Mobility is due to muscles. The body has 3 different kinds of muscles: cardiac, smooth, and skeletal. You should listen to this presentation because it will tell you about all the different things in the muscular system. Now I'm going to explain one of the 3 different types of muscles. First, Chandler and I are going to show you and tell you about the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are called muscles that are only found in the heart. They are controlled by the lower part of your brain called the medulla oblongata. It controls any voluntary muscle action in the body. Your heart cells come in long strips, each containing a nucleus, located in the walls of the heart. Walls in the heart. Cardiac muscles' main function is propelling blood into circulation. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about the smooth muscles. Your smooth muscles are also involuntary. They mostly cover your internal organs. Such as your stomach, throat, and small intestine. Smooth muscles are pretty interesting. Skeletal muscles are the only voluntary muscles in your body. They are all the muscles that move your bones and show external movement. Unlike the other 2 types, they contain multiple nuclei because of the very long sizes. These muscles are a factor in sports.
Okay.
That will be the end of our presentation.
Now I'm going to show you our PowerPoint. Oops, sorry. Now I'll show you about our PowerPoint. Muscle system, the system that allows you to move. If you didn't have muscles, you would be a blob, such like blob here. In fact, if you don't have muscles, you wouldn't be able to move. Mobility. Oops. Dang it. That's that slideshow. The cardiac muscles is the muscle of the heart itself. The cardiac muscle is the tissue that makes up the wall of the heart called the myocardium. Also, like the skeletal muscles, the cardiac muscle is striated, and instead of being attached to a bone, contracts through the sliding filament method. However, it is different from other types of muscles because it forms branching fibers. Unlike the skeletal muscles, the cardiac muscles are attached together. And now I will show you the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscle makes up about 40% of an adult's body weight. It has stripe-like markings and striations. The skeletal muscle is composed of long muscle fibers. Each of these muscles is a cell which contains several nuclei. The nervous system controls the contraction of the muscle. Many of the skeletal muscle contractions are automatic. However, we still can control the action of the skeletal muscle. And it is because of this reason that the skeletal muscle is also called voluntary muscle. The voluntary muscle. And here comes smooth muscles. Much of your internal organs is made up of smooth muscles. They are found in the urinary bladder, the gallbladder, arteries, and veins. Also, the digestive tract is made up of smooth muscles as well. The smooth muscles are controlled by the nervous system and hormones. We cannot consciously control the smooth muscles. That is why they are called involuntary muscles. And that's our presentation. Now, so here's Kamran with the poster.
This is the muscular system, as I said before. Now here's our poster. I'm going to tell you 9 facts about the muscle system. You can't sit still without moving a muscle. That is literally impossible. Yep. And there are nearly 650 skeletal muscles in the human body. They work in pairs. The smooth muscles are mainly your internal organs. Cardiac muscles are one of the most involuntary muscles. Skeletal muscles are the only voluntary muscles. Muscles hide behind your skin. Muscles rock hard.
Yeah. And that's our presentation.
Woo!